In this video, I want to talk about how you can get approved for options trading on Webull. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have an account and you want to make sure that it's an open account. So if you're in the US, you can open your account, but if you're outside of the US, you cannot do this. So keep in mind that you need to be in the US if you want to do this. Then what you want to do is simply make sure that you complete the full identification. Once you've done this, you can apply for options trading. So on the web version, you just want to do these steps. And if you're on your phone and you have the app, you can go into your profile and find options trading in there as well. So just find the options and then you can click apply. And in that way, you will apply for options trading. You can also apply for an upgrade. If you're already using level 1, then you can apply for level 2. But once you've done this and you applied, you're gonna answer a questionnaire, and if you answer correctly and stuff, they're gonna review it, and then you will be able to do options trading. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.